In this video, I'll be discussing why holding just 5,500 breath coin on base is going to make you a lot of thousands of dollars and a multi-millionaire in naira. So don't fail to watch this very video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, day trading strategy, and many other opportunity to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come right here to CoinMarketCap and you come to this search area, so if I come right here and search for breath, okay, so breath on base, that is the very one. And right here, you discover that this coin right now is trading at 0.157. And if you go a little bit down, you see the market cap is just 1.5 billion. Okay, this is very, very low. And it is ranked 215th on the coin market cap, okay, by market capitalization. And if you go a little bit to the downside, you discover that this coin have almost all its supply in circulation. So if you look at the circulating supply right now, we have 9.9 billion. And if you look at the total supply, 9.9 billion, but the max supply was 10 billion breath, which is very significant right here. So you discover everything is in circulation, because if you look at it, the entire total supply right here is what we have in circulation right now, which is very important. So take note of that. And if you go a little bit to the downside, you discover that we have this coin running on the base blockchain. And if you go down, of course, it is a meme token. If you look at the tag right here, is a meme token, but it is built on the base ecosystem. So this is a very important information you need to know about breath. And one thing about breath is that breath is a sister, or let me say a brother to Pepe, okay, which is very important, because if money is flowing into Pepe, definitely breath is going to do well. And breath is running on the base ecosystem, but Pepe runs on the Ethereum blockchain. So these are the most important information that you need to know about this very coin. Remember, at the end of this video, I'll be doing a very little calculation and show you my own personal prediction by holding just 5,500 breath is going to make you so much money. And if you come a little bit right here, something very important on Uphold, we see this very blog post on Uphold, which means Uphold is going to list this very token on their platform, which is a game changer. Uphold is a cryptocurrency platform based in the Bahamas, which is one of the crypto exchanges that you can also use as well if you want to. But the most important thing is that once this token begin to gain attraction and come into a major exchange like Base, that's Coinbase, is going to be a game changer for this very coin right now, which is Breath. And then if you look at this blog post as well, you see Breath is a unique token project positioned as the cultural mascot on the Base blockchain. It is supported by the Base ecosystem. So definitely, I am expecting that this token will be listed on Base very soon. But before that listing will happen, it is important that if you are not holding and you want to hold this coin, you hold it right now. Don't wait for when it is listed on an exchange like Base, because it's going to drag a lot of billions of dollars into this very token, and the market cap is going to definitely surge to the upside. So what I am expecting right now is very simple. If you take a look at technical analysis right here, technical analysis is very important after you look at your fundamental outlook. If you see this very coin from the year 0.000085, so from this very area, the coin begin to move to the upside, and then from this very area, market move all the way upward. We see this very pump to the upside and come back right down. So from here, market move upward, and then we have retracement before this very move to the upside. Now, people that bought around this very area, or you come to know about the token around this very area, which is very, very significant, you should always buy a meme token before it is listed on major exchanges, because if you can do your due diligence and find a meme token that is going to do well and you buy it before it is listed on major exchanges, it will give you a lot of money, because when you buy it from, let's say, from a DEX, it means that there is maybe little liquidity at the time. And when they begin to move to major exchanges, it means liquidity is going to definitely increase, because those exchanges have their user base that is going to buy the coin. So from here, market move upward, and right now, market is trading at 0.156. And what I am expecting is very simple. Definitely, this coin is not going to move parabolically to the upside, because it does not work like that in the market. Market is going to move upward, but we're going to see some kind of correction before the next move to the upside. If you observe market move from here and then move downward, this is about 50 to 60% retracement before this very move again. So definitely, market is going to retrace back down before the next move to the upside. So what I am expecting technically is the market should retrace within this very level of 0.22. Okay, and where the market is right now, market still have capacity of moving a little bit upward. So within this zone, I am expecting that the market, retrace back down about 50-40%, not that much retracement. That means expect the market to move a little bit upward and then come back down for that very retracement before the next move will come into the market. So this is exact same thing I am looking at and paying attention to right now on breadth. After this very long impulsive move, market have to retrace. Now, we may not see this retracement. That means market can just stay within this very zone and begin to consolidate within this area before the next move to the upside. That is another way of market pausing momentum, because when you see consolidation in the market, it means that market is actually gathering momentum to continue the upward move 80% of the time. So what I am expecting right now is a little bit of correction before the next wave is going to come into the market, because if you look at it, market has already moved all the way from here to where it is right now. So what you have to do if you want to hold breath for a long time is to wait a little bit for that correction to come in, or you wait and let's see that very consolidation within this very area to happen. So two things you have to pay attention to: either the market consolidate within this area, or we see the market come back down for correction. Once you see these two things, then it is time to buy more if you bought before, or if you have not buy any, then you have to jump into and buy this coin for the next massive ride in the market. Well, this is what I am expecting on this very coin right now. It's going to make a lot of person millionaires, and it's going to make a lot of thousands of dollars on the table. So if you look at this very coin on market cap, and I want to show you my own personal prediction. Right now, we have this token trading at 0.156. Okay, so if you do this by the total supply right here, or the circulating supply, which is also the same, you're going to get this very coin market cap price, which is the market capitalization of $1.5 billion. So right now, I am expecting this coin to do about $100 billion, because if money is flowing into Pepe, and Base network or the Base ecosystem is one of the best and most important ecosystem right now, and Base is actually talking about this very coin, although it have not been listed on their platform, which means it's going to definitely come on board. So expect this very token to do about $100 billion. So $100 billion means that this coin should reach about $10 per token. Okay, so $10 per token is very possible from this price level of 0.15 in the heat of the bull run in 2025. So don't expect a very sharp move to the upside to $10 per coin. Okay, with the market move in easing, moving up to the upside, it is going up like that. So it's going to take some time, especially in the heat of the bull run. It's going to do very, very well. So what I am expecting right now is simple. So if you have a $10 as the price that I am expecting this coin to get to, remember this is my own personal prediction, and the price is $10, and you have $10, and you have this amount in circulation, which is very, very important. So this is going to make the coin up to this market capitalization. So if you multiply 10 by the total or the circulating supply, which is 9910 billion. Okay, so let's do this very fast. So this is 9 billion, which is about 10 billion of the coin, is going to give you this amount in market capitalization in dollars. So this is about $100 billion. And if you look at this, I am expecting this to happen to this very coin because of a lot of fundamental factors, not only technical analysis, a lot of fundamental factors, and this coin is going to do very, very well. So let's say, for example, you buy just 5,500 breath token at the current price, which is 0.16. So if you buy at the current price, which is 0.16, so let's say, for example, you use the least $1,000, let's say $1,000, divide by the price right now, which is 0.1568, you're going to have this quantity of this coin. Okay, so you can further reduce it depending on your capacity. So let's say you have 5,500. Let's assume this is what you're able to buy, 5,500 at this very price. Okay, and this token will give you, by, if you multiply this by 10, which is the price according to my prediction, this is what you're going to have in dollars, which is $55,000 in the heat of the bull run, possibly in 2025, all things being equal. So what I am expecting on this coin is great. So if you have not buy this coin in your portfolio, it is the right time for you to buy right now. And if you've bought, I think you can also buy more if you have the capacity. And this coin is going to make a lot of person millionaires in this very space because it has a lot of potential to do very, very, very well. So Breath is one of the meme token you can hold in your portfolio in this very bull market. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Don't forget to check the description if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin. Claim all the bonuses when you use the affiliate link down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.